He's going to modify this and put a nice big fiddle edge on this.
No, Steve. In your immortal words, you can't polish a turd. It's going to look awful. The whole fridge surround is an eyesore. It's the first thing that you see when you come down the companionway steps. And it's also not in keeping with the rest of the woodwork. We need to get the whole thing rebuilt. We are Steve, Annette and Gus, and we've been living on our Venus Ketch for over 18 years. 5 months ago, we sailed her across the Caribbean Sea to the Rio Dulce in Guatemala to start a massive refit job. Poor Jose, he turned up to put a small fiddle around the top of the fridge surround as we had agreed a couple of weeks ago, and now he's pulling the whole surround apart. We've explained to him that we don't need the vents at the front and that we want it to look like the rest of the woodwork he has done. We'd also like the top to still have an opening so as we can get to the fridge if we ever need to, but the sides and the front to be a smooth teak.
Well, what started out as a simple boat job has turned into a bigger boat job. And Jose is giggling now because he thinks it's funny. So yeah, we've got a big hole in the boat. But he will be able to make it good.
As with all the other jobs that Jose has done for us, he makes a template of what he's going to build and he'll then return to fit and finish it off. You may wonder why we didn't move the fridge to the galley area. Unfortunately, the galley sides are quite narrow and our fridge is almost a full-size fridge, so it just wouldn't have fitted in there. Looks like the template is done now, so he'll rip all of this out, take it with him and be back in a few days.
So the fridge unit is still in progress. It's coming along nicely.
As you can see, they're finishing off the cupboard, which is going to go around the surround of the fridge. It's looking good. We'll come back when they put the finishing touches to it. The reason why we've got Chloe coming out, or that we needed somebody like Chloe, is somebody that works with canvas on a much larger scale than I'm used to kind of using. I don't mind doing repairs on sails and that, and repairs is very, very different to what we need doing. I don't know how easily you can see this, but the stitching on our cockpit cover all the way around is gradually coming out. It's literally just where it's being UV'd, that's all. Here and here is a double layer of stitching, but you can hardly see where the stitches should be, and it's like it all the way around. So before it literally just falls apart, we've asked her to come along and give us a quote to actually restitch the whole thing and put in new windows, which we do have the material for, and also and use it in our boom cover on the mizzen boom. That's what she's coming out to do. We plan to have this work done early next year. At the moment it's too hot to not have the bimini up. January and February are the coldest months in Guatemala, so it would be best done then.
Jessica.
We joined friends of cruisers on an unforgettable afternoon to the hot springs. Unfortunately, I lost the footage for the trip there, which was quite an eventful morning, as we were literally taken for a ride on a bus some 20 miles further than we needed to go, and then had to taxi back to the Springs. However, as you'll see, we had a lovely afternoon, and our journey back was even more eventful, and one that we all found both funny and an experience never to forget. The Springs are only a short distance away from the main town of Fronteras. In spite of our long journey to get here, they were easy to reach.
Is that cold or hot? Hot, yeah?
There was a tourist entrance fee of 20 quetzali, which is equal to £2 or $3. Absolutely worth it, as this also included a guide to make sure that we got to the Springs safely, even though it's only 100 yards up the river. We didn't mind a bit, they are trying to make a living.
Yeah, see, Susan thought she'd bagged herself a seat then.
I did. Okay.
I can't even see you, Steve.
A little bit more room.
You're supposed to swim down?
Yep.
Okay.
A little bit better? Yeah. Yeah. That's better to become close friends.
Collectivo buses are often like this. They never say no and will just keep squeezing you in.
What are you doing? Steve just told me to film. Why are you...
Oh my God, I'm so pleased that we changed our mind, because this is the end result. Lovely teak here and up here with the fiddle all the way around the outside. We've got rid of the vents that went across here, so now that's just kind of plain wood. Really pleased with that. And this is just superb, the way that this is all now shaped in. We can easily open up the fridge and close it. Really happy with that. Sorry, it's very sunny today, so it's a bit difficult with the sunlight, but as you can see, the framework is all the way around and then down the side as well. We are super pleased with it. Sorry, I've just seen a bug in here. Well, you're not going to get out there, are you? What a difference. Looks super nice with the new portholes as well. Sorry, it's a bit dusty up here because Steve's been working to put two new pieces along here. But yeah, so this is what he's done as well. He's put us in a nice top with an opening here. And I hope that it won't be housing crisps. Steve does love his crisps. We definitely made the right decision there to not have just the top fiddles done, but to have the complete cupboard taken down and renewed. Thanks for watching. Join us in a couple of weeks when we ask ourselves for the first time after finding yet another leak if all of this work is really worth it. A massive thanks to all of our Patreon and coffee friends. Your support is really appreciated. If you're not part of the Patreon crew, why not pop over and have a look at our Patreon page where you'll get live updates on what we're doing and exclusive access to us. Ciao for now.